In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward mail as attachment in Outlook. When you forward an email as an attachment, you're sending the entire original message headers, formatting, and any embedded content wrapped inside a single .ml file. This is especially useful when you need to preserve context, share a thread for troubleshooting, or pass along a message without altering it. Let's start in the new Outlook or Outlook on the web. First, select the email you want to forward. With the message highlighted, look toward the upper right corner of the message window or reading pane and click the 3 horizontal dots. This opens a menu with additional actions. Choose Other Reply Actions, then select Forward as Attachment. A new draft opens automatically with the original email attached as a .ml file. From here, fill in the recipient, add a clear subject, include a brief note if needed, and send. If you don't immediately see the 3 dots, make sure the message itself is selected and not just the folder the menu appears in the context of the message. Now let's look at classic Outlook on Windows. Begin by selecting the email in your message list. On the ribbon at the top, go to the Home tab and find the Respond group. Click the More button. It looks like a small downward-facing triangle to reveal additional options. From that drop-down, choose Forward as Attachment. Outlook will open a new message window with the original email already attached as a .ml file. Add your recipient, subject, and any short explanation that provides context for the person receiving it, then click Send. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Use a descriptive subject line so the recipient knows the attachment contains a full original message. If you're forwarding for support or compliance, leaving the body brief helps keep attention on the attached .ml. Remember that forwarding as an attachment shares the message exactly as received, including metadata and any existing attachments, which is often required for audits or investigation. If you're working in a busy inbox, take a second to confirm you've selected the right email before you start. In the draft that opens, glance at the attachment name. It should mirror the original subject so you can double-check at a glance. This approach also prevents accidental edits to the original content and keeps the conversation thread intact, which is helpful when multiple people need to review the message exactly as it was received. That's it. Thanks for watching.